What's up? How's it going? Right now I'm going to go over how to draw Devil Flanders from The Simpsons. He was in the Halloween specials. He's awesome. Awesome. Kind of became a big deal. So I'm going to draw just his face. It'll be easy. I'm going to use a marker. You can be a beginner and do this, so don't worry about it. You can follow along, or you can just watch me and then do it afterward, or pause and rewind and all that stuff. So let's get going. I am going to start with a circle for his eye. You know, kind of his glasses eye. I'm going to pull forward that very typical Simpson nose. Pull it down for his mustache. His mustache is a solid shape, so kind of be aware of that. It's not like a frilly hair mustache. It's a solid shape. Almost looks like a bagel bread, or not a bagel bread. It looks like a croissant or something from the side. Pull up here. He's got a smile around the corner. He's got a different personality than regular Flanders. If you've ever watched The Simpsons, pull up into the brow, straight up. And I'm going to pull into one devil horn. Pull over. We're going to go into the other devil horn. Pulling into the hairline. Go pull down. It's not going to go as low as the smile, but his hair is going to be a solid shape as well in the back of that. Pulling around the front here. And think of like a loaf of bread sitting on top of his head. That's what I do. Keep doing these bread analogies. His ear sticking out the side here. His hair continuing on to the back. Pull a line straight down from the hair here. Every Simpson has an overbite. Every Simpson character, as far as I know. And you have to make room for the collar. Imagine that kind of going around behind him, coming out the side here, down, pulling down, he's got a chain keeping it together, or something going on. Try to pull back there. And this goes all the way down into his lower chest. And I'll pull this up for the side of his arm. Back of the collar. His arm. Right here. Going down. He has no shirt on, really. And let's go into his eye. His eye will be easy. He's got that kind of like, huh? What's going on? Look. Again, he's got a different personality than normal Flanders. And I'm gonna, since, you know, he wears glasses, just draw a straight line, and those are his glasses right there. I'm gonna go into the hair and put those lines in the hair, you know, those rivets or whatever you call them. That's pretty much the character right there. You could stop and you'd be fine, or you could if you want, you could fill in the back here of his collar. Maybe you could do that. You don't have to. I'm gonna do it just because I think it looks cool. That's it. That is Devil Flanders. I really hope that was easy enough for you to follow. If not, please rewind and go back. You know, do what you need to do. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you had a great day, and I hope you follow along with me. Try it again. Like, share it if you did like it. Also, I do have an email list that I could update you guys on where I'm going to be throughout the year. I'm going to be here throughout the year, but if you made it this far and you want more training, I strongly, if you go on my I have a Patreon if you want more help on what you need, more personalized help. I'm on that. Otherwise, I will see you guys soon, and I'll talk to you later.